What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, and welcome back to another property tour episode. So in today's video, we're checking out a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath at the Plaza condominium in Brickell. But before we get into the details of the property and the property tour itself, I would be remiss if I don't take this time to first quickly address the current state of the Miami real estate market and how this could potentially affect you if you're looking to buy, sell, or rent. As you can all imagine, there has been a lot of noise surrounding the potential collapse of the real estate market, due largely in part to the looming recession that we already find ourselves in and whose effects are starting to be felt. Nowadays, however, everyone seems to be an economist and somehow knows exactly what is going to happen in the market in the next 6 to 12 months. But the reality, my friends, is that, as you already know, there's no one and no possible way of knowing what is going to happen. The best we can do is to make an assumption and use anecdotal data. For us in Miami, my team and I have definitely noticed a cool down in the market, partly due to the increase in interest rates. But if I'm being honest, I think it's mostly due to the fear and uncertainty that is being promulgated in the media today. So in other words, I don't see a sharp decline in the demand or interest of buyers and renters looking to move here to Miami. I still get a ton of calls from clients and viewers of the channel alike on a daily basis, but there is definitely an inherent need to want to wait and see what happens in the market if there's a potential decline in prices on the horizon. What I want to remind everyone on here is that we saw the same caution and pullback from everyone waiting on the sidelines right when COVID started, and we all know what happened to the market just a few short months afterwards. Am I saying that we're going to see a massive increase in values and rents this time around like we just saw 1 to 2 years ago? Of course not. And my best guess is honestly probably that we will not see something like that ever again, or at least for a very long time. However, I'm definitely not going to pretend to know what is going to happen. What I can say is that each and every city and each market will be affected differently. Hypothetically speaking, where one city like San Francisco, for example, can decline in value by 8%, another city like New York may decline only by 2% or may not decline at all. All of this has to do with so many factors that it's impossible to see what one market is going to do versus another, or what they're all going to do collectively. None of us could have imagined where the Miami real estate market is today, but nevertheless, here we are. Personally, as of August 2022, my transaction volume and my team's transaction volume has remained strong, and the sentiment from our clients and buyers as to their interest in the market has remained consistent. So based solely from my experience, Miami is actively going through a price correction and not a crash or collapse as some of you have hoped for. But we are definitely at a point where this can change at a moment's notice. So if you want to stay in tune and with the latest market trends and updates and property tour videos, and definitely subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell so you get notified of my weekly videos that, as I mentioned, I upload each and every single week. And you can help support the growth of this channel by giving this video a like and clicking that thumbs up button. Now, let's get into today's property tour. And as I mentioned, it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath located at the Plaza condominium in the heart of Brickell. It's actually located on Brickell Ave, and it's walking distance to Mary Brickell Village, Brickell City Center, and of course, Brickell Key. The plaza was built in 2008. However, the property we're seeing today has undergone some renovations. So even though the building is not new by today's standards, the property itself has a very clean and minimalist aesthetic. It also comes equipped with gorgeous porcelain floors and floor-to-ceiling glass windows that encase the master bedroom and provide a level of elegance and modernism that most renters are looking for in a Miami condo. Coming in at just shy of 1,300 square feet, the stunning property was listed for rent for $5,000 per month. And I say was because my team already rented it. However, please feel free to reach out to us directly if we can help or assist you locate something similar to this property tour video if you are interested. Okay, that is enough for me. Let's get started with today's property tour, and of course, enjoy. Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.